School life made easy. 25 amazing hacks every student should know. Life hack. Do you possess multiple notebooks with identical appearances? Add a splash of color to the page edges of each book using various sketch pens to effortlessly distinguish between subjects and enhance the vibrancy of your study area. Life hack. Combating shoe odor is as simple as using tea bags. Combat the odor in your shoes after a day of activity by placing 2 tea bags or sachets of potpourri inside, ensuring a fresh and eco-friendly solution for students' bags, lockers, or shoe cabinets. Life hack. Ease presentation nerves. Presenting can be stressful, especially when it impacts your final grade by using distinct colored pens for each point on your note cards, aiding memory recall and facilitating a smooth, fumble-free transition between points. Life hack. Math can be fun. To review multiplication tables and other math operations, grab a few styrofoam cups. Life hack. Misplaced your eraser once more. Get creative with erasing by using a small piece of bread as an alternative eraser, or use a rubber band at the end of your pencil. If your eraser is over, sharpening the end will reveal more. Life hack. Diversify your note-taking with various colored pens. Using colored pens, which not only aids recall but studies suggest that notes in blue ink are easier to remember than black ink, making it a valuable life hack for students. Life hack. Use scholar.google.com. Opt for scholar.google.com for essays or research, ensuring more reliable and relevant resources than general blogs. Life hack. Boost memory retention capabilities. Enhance memory recall by incorporating tables and diagrams into your notes. Life hack. Store mint in your pencil case for convenience. Alleviate headaches and enhance concentration with its use. Life hack. Utilize a dry erase marker at home even without a whiteboard. Use mirrors, frames, or glass surfaces as whiteboard alternatives for quick notes, and easily erase marks with a damp cloth or paper. Life hack. If you're feeling down and crave a nap, curl up and rest. Boost your spirits by writing creative and colorful positive affirmations to motivate yourself, providing inspiration to carry you through the day. Life hack. When beginning a new notebook, leave initial pages blank for a convenient exam time table of contents in your notebook. Life hack. After completing your essay, after writing, copy-paste your text into Google Translate and listen to it for easier error detection. Life hack. Stick some post. Utilize an empty tray or chalkboard with sticky notes as a versatile to-do list organizer, easily discarding completed tasks and repositioning notes as needed. Life hack. Maintain a tidy and centralized stationery collection with this enjoyable DIY organizer. Create a practical stationery organizer by gluing together old plastic jars as demonstrated in the picture, and fill them up once the glue is dry. Life hack. Keep Me Out is an excellent website and app for overcoming distractions. On desktop, Keep Me Out blocks distracting sites like Facebook and YouTube, while on your phone, the app can lock your device for a specified duration, enhancing focus. Life hack. Activate flight mode. Combat distractions by using the flight mode or reboot your phone in safe mode for increased focus. Life hack. The pen isn't functioning due to dry ink. Revive a dry pen by applying heat with a hand dryer or hair dryer, and it will soon work like new. Life hack. A friend requests a pencil, but you possess only one. Split your pencil in half and hone the second piece. Life hack. Each moment is crucial when preparing for school. Create a lively playlist synchronized with your morning routine, allowing you to gauge time and stay on schedule for school. Life hack. Accidentally highlighted or need to remove highlighted text from your book. Erase accidental highlights or remove unwanted ones from your book effortlessly by swiping a lime juice-soaked Q-tip over the text, preserving its integrity. Life hack. Can I get a big coffee container? Memorize the sentence, may I have a large container of coffee, to recall the digits of pi, 3.1415926, based on the letter count in each word. Life hack. Uncertain about effect and effect. Remember, effect is an action, starts with a verb, and effect is a thing, a noun. Alternatively, use the word impact for a foolproof choice. Life hack. Continuing to feel extremely fatigued upon waking up, feeling tired despite enough sleep? Try hydrating with a glass of water. Life hack. Require a circle but lack a compass. Create a makeshift compass by tying 2 pencils together with a string. Use one as the center and the other for drawing, or try using paper clips as demonstrated. Which hack did you like? If you know any good hacks, please share it in the comments.